Hey there, crafty kids and parents. Welcome back to Upcycling Project videos. Today, we're diving into a world of imagination and creativity as we show you how to turn simple cardboard boxes into incredible creations. Get ready for some exciting cardboard crafts that will spark your imagination. First things first, find some cardboard boxes of different sizes. These can be old packaging boxes or even cereal boxes. The possibilities are endless. Let's start with something super fun, a cardboard playhouse. Cut windows and a door, decorate with markers or paint, and you've got a cozy hideaway for imaginative adventures. Want to become your favorite superhero or animal? With some cardboard, scissors, and a touch of creativity, you can craft unique masks that let your imagination run wild. Let's make some music. Transform cardboard into cool instruments like guitars, drums, or even a cardboard kazoo. It's a symphony of creativity. Get ready to build your own mini city. Stack and glue cardboard boxes to create skyscrapers, houses, and roads. Add toy cars for a bustling cardboard metropolis. Bring the animal kingdom to life. Cut out shapes, paint, and decorate to make your favorite animals from cardboard. From elephants to dinosaurs, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, our fantastic cardboard creations. Remember, with a little cardboard and a lot of imagination, you can craft anything your heart desires. Thanks for joining us on this cardboard crafting adventure. We hope you're inspired to turn those old boxes into amazing creations. Some useful things you might need: https://amazon.to/3kski. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your own cardboard masterpieces with us. Cardboard creations for kids #creative crafts #diakidscrafts #imagination unleashed.